Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to Gmail. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, through Gmail you can send email to yourself or new leads from Google Lead Form. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the data source system, Google Lead Form. Next, select an action. Get leads, new. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. We find in the item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After successful submission, click Save and return to the ApiX-Drive system. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this point, you can see the test data we just sent to the specified URL. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. This completes the Google Lead Form data source setup successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Select the system Gmail. Next, select an action. Send email. At this stage you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. At this stage, be sure to check all the access boxes. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. At this point you see Gmail fields for sending new emails. In the To Email field you need to indicate the email to which you want to send new emails. The Gmail account that was connected to the ApiX-Drive system will be used as the sender. If you want to send an email to each new lead from Google Lead Form, in this field you need to assign a variable from Google Lead Form in which the lead email is located. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Next, you need to fill in the subject and body fields. You fill them out in such a way that such emails will receive all new leads from the Google Lead Form. If you want to send emails to yourself about the arrival of new Google Lead Form leads, you need to indicate your email in the To Email field. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to a new line, press Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage you see an example of the data that will be sent to the specified email with each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Gmail as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.